Did you know that you can host your Calendly meeting with Webex? And so I'm going to show you how you can set it up. So either you're going to create a new meeting on the upper right hand side by choose whatever meeting you want to, or you're going to open up an existing meeting that you have. So once you open it up, you will find on the right hand side here the details for the meeting, and you want to expand the section for location. In this location section is where you'll be able to either remove what you have there or select an option to host your meeting. So here it says location. I click the all option here, and here you will find Webex. Click on that, and so you want to connect to Webex afterwards by clicking on that, and it's going to load where you can go through the process of connect your Webex to your Calendly, and that's it. So once you click on that, it's going to take you over to where you need to enter your email address and proceed with signing into Webex. And so once all of that is synced and authorized, you will have Webex available here to host your meetings within Calendly. And that's it, guys.